Alright guys, we are back. The long-awaited vlog that I already had uploaded, but if you guys remember, I kind of busted my laptop, so I lost all the footage. But we're back again. We met up again, and hopefully a lot more future meets to come. Got a couple other people here as well, but they don't have Interceptors, so we're just going to show off the Interceptors. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the comparisons and stuff. Mine's the 2014, his is the 2015. Not really a lot of differences between the both. Obviously he has a push bar on it, mine doesn't. But one of the major differences up front, you know, besides, you know, the spotlights and stuff, is this right here. This is something that I noticed right away. As you guys can see, my headlights, underneath you got like kind of a light gray behind the actual headlight, and his is actually a darker kind of black or dark gray. I like this one a lot better than mine, as you guys can see. Let's see if I can get them both in the same shot. There you go. So his definitely looks a lot more aggressive in my opinion than mine. It looks a lot darker, a lot more stealthier. So that's one of like the major differences up in the front. And then over here he's got a Pro Guard push bar. I think I talked about this one in my videos. One of the cheaper end push bars. As you guys can see, they're not very big, but it's still a push bar, a lot more aggressive. As you guys can see as well, he didn't actually have to cut his grill, whereas mine is cut. Down here though, they did have to cut it. But still, nevertheless, it's still a pretty good push bar. I wish I had mine on, but with the weather dropping and no garage, it's going to be tough to install it. Also, he's got these hideaways over here that I believe he already bought, but as you guys can see when his car was in service, they had strobes here as well as on the side. I don't know if the camera will be able to pick that up. There you go. And I told him what a cool idea would be was to replace these with the strobes that were here and then hook them up to his turn signal. I think that would be a really cool idea. I believe he already ordered those, but yeah, I think it would be a really cool idea since they're already there and they're already holes. Might as well do that little feature. I think it would be really cool. But other than that, they're both pretty much the same exact things. Inside's the same, same engine, same drivetrain, all that. It's 3.7 liter all-wheel drive. Now let's go to the rear. Alright guys, so here's the rear. As you guys can see, he also has a puck antenna. This is one that I actually sold him. But the rear, pretty much exactly the same as well. He's obviously got the backup sensors, as you guys can see. And the backup camera right there, which is pretty cool. I kind of wish mine had that. I believe the 2015 Pluses had those only, and obviously the older models did not have them. And obviously he has the chrome strip, which I do not like. And then I obviously got the black strip, but that's pretty much it for the rear. I believe he is going to be adding antennas and all that as well, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably going to go inside now and warm up because it is extremely, extremely cold. We'll go out and take some pictures. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you guys will see all the pictures that we took today. So yeah, probably do some rolling shots and stuff like that. Yeah. Alright guys, real quick. We found an abandoned building, taking a lot of cool pictures. So if you guys want to check out these pictures, make sure to go follow me over Instagram. We'll probably do flybys and stuff like that. We'll get it on the vlog. Who knows? We'll see. We don't want to cause, you know, too much noise and stuff like that. But we're going to go in the back now, take some more pictures. We'll see you there. Alright guys, check out this other cool spot right here. Really cool abandoned building. You also got a silo and stuff over there, but you got a random car just chilling over there. So it's kind of weird to, you know, go out and take pictures, but who cares? But yeah, really cool spot. Snap a couple more pictures. So go